My classmates rating the food that we
How's
cooked.
the food ulit?
Ulit! So delicious. Yeah, delicious. 10 out of 10.
Okay, next. How's the food, guys?
Ang sarap mo.
Okay, thank you.
Ang sarap mo to.
Ay, hindi pala ano yan. How's the food?
Ang sarap ng luto, guys. Supper.
Yes! How's the food?
Kasi sarap mo ka naman na sa... Malol.
O, di ba? How's the food? Masarap. O, ikaw. Ala! La, ma'am. O, nakikita mo yan, ma'am. Judgmental yan, ma'am. How's the food?
Tamnay. Oy, natamnay.
Natamlay. Ala, nagpait daw. O, ikaw. How's the food?
Agkamkamutan.
Masarap! O, masarap daw. Masarap! O, rate.
10 over 10.
O, rate.
10 over 10. Hindi ko pa natikman yung spaghetti.
O, tikman mo na. Gusto mo?
Masarap.
Ala! Wala pa! Wala pa! How's the food? How's the
10 out
food?
of 10. Nag-imas dito lang.
Tula. Nak! Nak, how's the food?
Ang sarap!
How's the food? Oh. How's the food?
Nakabusog.
Makabusog ka na.
Ano daw?
Nakakabusog daw, guys.
Okay. O, next. Kirby, how's the food?
Good.
Ha?
Good.
Good daw, guys. Good. Pinola daw namin si Binan. Oo. Hindi pa ako nakakakain. Ma'am, how's the food? Oh, sarap daw. Oh, how's the food? Oh, how's the food?
Masarap.
How's the food?
Sisarap ko.
Ma'am, grabe ah.